Welcome to Bonus Shares Explained in 2 minutes. Ever wondered what bonus shares are and how they work? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the concept of bonus shares, their purpose, and what they mean for investors, all in under 2 minutes. Simply put, bonus shares are additional shares given to existing shareholders without any extra cost. Companies issue bonus shares for several reasons, including rewarding loyal shareholders, increasing the liquidity of their stock, and converting reserves into share capital. Now let's look at how bonus shares actually work. Bonus shares are typically issued from a company's accumulated reserves and profits, rather than generating new capital. This process increases the company's paid-up share capital, reflecting the conversion of those reserves into shares. So what are the benefits for shareholders when a company issues bonus shares? The most direct benefit is that shareholders receive more shares without spending any additional money, potentially leading to higher future dividends. More shares in circulation often mean increased liquidity, making it easier to buy and sell the stock in the market. Now let's address a common question. How do bonus shares affect the stock price? When bonus shares are issued, the share price typically adjusts proportionally to reflect the increased number of shares. For example, if you get 1 bonus share for every share you hold, the price per share will roughly halve. Crucially, the overall market capitalization of the company remains unchanged, as the value is simply distributed among more shares. To wrap things up, let's quickly recap what we've learned about bonus shares. Bonus shares are essentially free shares issued from company reserves, leading to a proportional adjustment in the individual share price while maintaining the total market value. For investors, bonus shares mean more holdings without direct cost, potentially increasing long-term gains. Thanks for watching.